Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 5G Classwork Art Program. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the another assignments scores 94, 99, 95 and 92%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 5G Classwork Art Program Go 22 Excel Chapter 5 Grader 5G as Art Program. So to download the materials and download the all files. Go to the downloads and open the Word file Excel 5G Art Program, and next is Excel 5G Art Program. Validity, and next is assignment title is Excel 5G Art Program. So project description is, in this project you will create a worksheet as for the assistant director of arts college to analyze the available program. To complete this project, you will sort the filter data subtotal and group the data and apply the theme to multiply the worksheets. So we move to the main project step. Is total step is 11. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, open the Excel workbook student Excel 5G art program Excel downloaded with projects. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 5G art program. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, display the head top lower Conte Astro worksheet and select the range A1 to J13 and then insert the table. So display the hilltop lower Conte East worksheet. So go to the Excel worksheet and hilltop low Conte East worksheets, and next is select the range A1 to J13. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter. Select the range A1 to J13 and insert the table. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the tables and click OK. So insert the table in cell A1 to J13. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, sort the table on the campus column using the custom list. Use the following order: hilltop, lower county, and then east and second level sort by group. The third level sort by program name, both in the ascending order. Hint in the sort the dialog box. Click or press at the data label button. So sort the table on the campus column and using the custom list, use the following order: hilltop and lower county, and then east and second level sort by group, and then third level sort by program name, and both in the ascending order. So sort the table on the campus column. So go to the data tabs and go to the sort filter groups, click the sort, and next is sort the table on the campus column. So Click the campus column, and next is campus column, choosing the custom list and use the following order: hilltop, click the custom list, hilltop, and next is lower county, and next is and then east, east, and second level sort by the group and third level sort by program name, both in the ascending order. At the second level sort by group, second level sort by group, east, and second level sort by groups, and click OK. The hilltop, and next is lower county, and last is east. Click add, hilltop, lower county, and click OK. And next is add the second level sort by group. Click the add the level and sort by group, sort by group, second level sort by group, and then third level sort by program name. Click the add the third levels is the third level sort by program name, and the program name, and next is program name, both in the ascending order. Second level sort by group and third level sort by program name, both in the ascending orders, and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the schedule comparison worksheet and select the range A2 to F3 and then name the range criteria, name the range A6 to F5, A15 using the name database, and then name the range A80 to F18 using the name extract. So on the schedule comparison worksheet, so go to the schedule comparison worksheet, and next is and select the range A2 to F3. So copy the range and go to the paste the range, press enter, and next is and then name the criteria, name the range criteria, select the range A2 to F3 and select the range A2 to F3 and then name the range is criteria, press enter, and next is A6 to F15. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and next is using the name in the database. So copy the name in the database and paste the name, press enter. So next is and then name the range A80 to F18. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and next is using the name is extract and press enter. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is create an advanced filter will be placed to extract area the record from a database name in which spring is their primary schedule and summer in the secondary schedules. So create the advanced filter that will place in the extract area the record from the database range in which spring is their primary schedule and summer is their secondary schedule. Create the advanced filter that will place in the extract area the record from the database name in which spring is their primary schedule and summer in their secondary schedule. So advanced filters, so Excel worksheet and go to the data types, go to the sort and filter groups, click advanced, and next is A6 to F15 and criteria range A2 to F3 and copy the range A80 to F18, so click OK. So create the advanced filters. So go to the data types and click advanced and A6 to F15 and A2 to F3, click the copy another location A80 to F18 and click OK. So was filtered. So question number 5 is complete. So database range in spring and their primary schedule in the summer. So copy and primary schedules in the summary and press enter, and next is primary schedule in the summer in the secondary schedule in the summer and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the statements by group worksheets and sort the data ascending order first by group and then by co-statements. So display the statement by group worksheets, and sort the data by ascending order and the first by group then by co-statements. Display the statement in group worksheets, and next is sort the data ascending orders. So go to the data types and sort the data ascending order by group and then by co-statements. The data and click the sort of filters. Sort the data ascending order in the first by group and then by co-statements. First by group, group and then by co-statements, both in the ascending order. Second level and stipend co-statements, and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments. Select the all worksheets. So save the file and upload the assignments. So click the save as and save the assignments, and next is in Excel 5G classwork or program, open the Excel 5G. So click the continue, and next is Excel 5G classwork art program and go 22 Excel chapter 5 grader 5G art program. Upload the file and submit for gradings. And Excel 5G art programs, click opens and click uploads. click the continue. So you can see the score. Excel 5G classwork or program is 94%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and is your exam. Current score is 94%. Excel 5G classwork or program